Oh, good morning. Morning, morning. Right, we're going this way. Go on. So this is what happens. See if you look over there, there's like birdies just like sitting on the roof. They are all literally just like waiting for me. I've got the birds up in the trees. Are they all starting to know now that I feed them every morning? Give them some seeds, some nuts and stuff like that. They're already there. They're waiting for me. So, got the munchies. Let's spread the word. Watch this. And look, here they come. They're coming to land. How cool is that?
It's awesome, isn't it?
But yeah, the wee things that you do for love. Look at that, even the sun wants to come and say hi this morning. Brilliant. Love it. Love it.